Next up is a brand you don't always see in brick-and-mortar medical stores, Japard Folding Bedside Commode. This style is popular online as a 3-in-1 portable commode that's height adjustable in multiple increments, 5 levels on some listings, features a 5.3 to 7.5 QT bucket depending on the SKU, and advertises weight capacities in the 330 pounds range for the consumer model I checked. International resellers and regional marketplaces place the Japard commode in the $160 ballpark for some SKUs. I saw listings around $164.07 on specialist online stores, though this varies widely depending on region and seller. The Japard units attract buyers looking for a robust, slightly larger seat and higher weight capacity than the bare-boned folding models. User feedback trends toward surprisingly solid for the price. People like the reinforced steel frame, the larger seat options, and the removable arm handrail convenience on some variants. It's a model that appeals to families who want a sturdier home solution without stepping up to full bariatric equipment. Downsides flagged by reviewers include heavier weight. It's not the lightest travel commode, occasional shipping variations where extras like liners or splash guards aren't included, and the fact that support documentation can be thin from smaller brands. Also, because Japard is less widely distributed than Drive or Medline, warranty return handling sometimes depends on the third-party seller rather than the manufacturer. Pros: higher weight capacity on some SKUs, adjustable heights, larger seat options, good for home use where durability matters. Cons: variable seller support, heavier to carry, and price can be higher than entry-level competitors. If you want a more rugged, consumer-grade commode and don't mind buying from online specialist sellers, Japard is a respectable pick. We share buy links in the description box.